All right, hey everybody, how you doing? Jose, we're here with Fit Bodies Unlimited. So today we're going to be going over the seated leg curl machine. Just want to kind of go over a couple of moving parts first. So back here, obviously, this is our height adjustable pad. So this adjusts based on the height. So if you're short like me, it comes forward. If you're a little bit taller, then you bring that seat back. Simple pin, pull, release, and it moves. Down over here too, this is going to be the padding that's sitting on the back side of your leg right here, just right behind on the Achilles. As you used to have a seat, this portion here is going to slide up or down. And this just kind of helps you lock yourself in, keeps your legs from swinging, little out of control if so be it. And then, of course, you have your weight stack. You're going to adjust your weight based off your fitness level. So when you sit in here, you're going to bring your feet over the top, right? You got your handles here. You want to sit nice and tall, nice and straight. Bring your shoulders and everything back to the padding. Uh, Butt firmly into the seat. Adjust this down. Bring the padding down to where it's nice and tight to prevent your knees from swinging up or down. Tighten this down so it doesn't get away from you, right? Once again, the weight's already adjusted based to your fitness level. Grab onto the handles, and this machine right here is going to target the backside of the hamstring. So all we're going to do is we're going to grab the handles, and then we're going to bring our heels to our butt, and then release it. So it's going to be all slow control motion, just like everything you're going to do, slow and controlled. You're going to bring it down, hold, and then release. So our movement is just going to be simple as that, looking nice and straight, nice and forward, nice and tall, grabbing on the handles if you need to for that firm base. The handles come into play with the heavier weight you go, just to keep you seated firmly into the seat. So this is our motion here. Not many variations onto here unless you had a separate style if you're looking at your lying leg curl machine versus a seated. So to get out of here, just release that, hop on out, and then we're all said and done. So once again, Jose here with Fit Bodies Unlimited. Stay tuned for more workout videos.